Hello there. So in today's maths themed video, I'm going to be showing you a way that you can factorise quadratics. Now this method is rather quick and it's known as the AC method. Now just like in any sort of equation, you have ax squared plus bx plus c. Now the way that this works is that a multiplied by c will give you a number which can be split into two different parts which will add together to give you b. So let's try an example. So let's try and solve this quadratic equation. 5x squared plus 11x minus 12 equals 0. So in this question, a equals 5, b equals 11, and c equals negative 12. You need to look at that negative here, that's very important. So first of all we need to find AC, which means 5 multiplied by negative 12 will give us negative 60. Now we then need to break negative 60 down into two separate parts which will add together to equal 11. So in this equation we can use 15 and negative 4. Look out for that negative there. Now we're going to rewrite the equation. So 5x squared plus 15x. Take away 4x minus 12 equals 0. Now the next step is we're going to put this into two pairs of brackets. Once we're in the brackets, we need to factorise each pair of brackets. So 5x squared plus 15, this is just simple factorising, and it works out at 5x outside the brackets with x plus 3 inside. Minus 4x minus 12, we can break this down into minus 4x plus 3. Now you'll notice that this bracket and this bracket are equal, and that is why the AC method works. Now we're going to rewrite the equation with what's outside the brackets in one pair of brackets and with what's inside the brackets in another pair of brackets. By which I mean we have 5x minus 4 and x plus 3 equals 0. And here we are, we have managed to factorise this equation. And the final step is to solve the equation. So because it equals 0, and anything multiplied by 0 is 0, we can assume that one of the x's must somehow, one of the brackets must somehow add up to 0. So that means in this question, x equals negative 3 or x equals, we need to add 4 divided by 5, so it is 0.8. And there we are, we have solved this equation. Let's see if we can solve another equation. 3x squared plus 16x plus 21 equals 0. Now we need to label A, B and C. So A equals 3, B equals 16 and C equals 21. Now 3 times 21 gives us 63. And we need to break this down into 2 parts, which will add together to give us 16. Well, in this equation, 9 and 7. 9 plus 7 equals 16, and 9 multiplied by 7 gives us 63. Now we can rewrite our equation. 3x squared plus 9x plus 7x plus 21 equals 0. Once again, we're going to put 2 pairs of brackets around our equation and factorise each bracket. So 3x plus 9 factorises into 3x x plus 3. Seven x plus 21 factorises into 7x plus 3. Once again, these brackets are the same. So now we write the equation again with everything outside the bracket in one pair and everything inside the bracket in another pair. So 3x plus 7 and x plus 3 equals 0. So this means we have factorised the equation. And to solve it again, x equals negative 3, because negative 3 plus positive 3 is 0, and anything multiplied by 0 is 0. And then, to give us 3x plus 7, so 3x equals negative 7, so x equals minus 7 over 3, or minus 2 1/3. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please just leave them down below. I will try to answer them. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.